What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2015 Kawasaki Versys 1000. It's the LT. Just got this thing in. This thing is super cool. We've had the 600 before. I have not ridden a 1000, so I was excited to get this thing in. Let's take a quick walk around it. It's in really nice shape. I mean, I think it has like 2,500 miles on it. So yeah, let's get to it. We got here the rear tire. Rear tire's in good shape. I'm gonna call that like 65 or 70%. A lot of life left there. It is chain driven. As you can see, there's the chain. Has the factory exhaust on it right there. It does have the hard bags on the side, which is a nice feature. You got your tail light and your turn signals here. You got the upper luggage rack. I really like this orange color. The orange color is really nice. We're gonna open this thing. Oh, maybe I am. Guess I should have looked into that before I started this video. Well, I guess I'm not gonna open the bag. I'm gonna look like an idiot, and that's the way this video is gonna be. Got the Kawasaki there in the bags. Again, there's that factory exhaust. Got your passenger peg, got your rider peg, got your rear brake. There you can see the motor coming up the side. There's little white marks right here that I wanted to point out. I thought it was just gonna come off with my fingernail. It did not, so there's that. There's a similar one right there and right there. There's the Kawasaki Versys badge. Got the 1000 right there. Again, looking in there at the motor. Jump up to the front. Got the brush guards there on the handlebars. Got the windshield. There's the headlights, and you can see the turn signals on the side. Down here to the front fender. Front fender's in good shape. This thing does have the ABS on it, so make sure that you note that. If you're interested in this bike, it is the ABS model. There's the front tire. There's your front brake on this side, and front brake on this side. Then you can look in there and see that black front wheel. It's got a good look, good contrast to the orange. You can see the forks. Kawasaki Versys, again the 1000 on this side. Looking in there at the motor. There's all that. Make sure we can jump up here and look at the tank. Tank's in nice shape. Coming down here again to the rider peg with the shifter. Got your passenger peg. This one does have the center stand. If that's something that you're interested in, this one does have that. Come around to the bags on this side. Let me just stick that key in there and see if I can't open these bags up. Ah, they were locked. All right. Good, so I'm not a complete moron, just a partial moron. So there's that. And close that back up. Lock it back up. Pull the key out. Put it up here on the ignition. Looking at the seat. Seat's in nice shape. Nice big passenger seat. Nice comfy rider seat in here. Again, kind of on the top of the tank. Got your fuel cap. Your clutch. Got all your controls in here, throttle, front brake. Turn this thing on, you see the gauges sweet. All right, I lied, I said 2,500 miles. There's 2,600 miles and 2,630 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive, so make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube. Let's fire this thing up. Honestly, it's a little disappointing, the sound. It's a little on the quiet side, but it is a very nice machine. It is a good machine to ride. It's got the badge, it's got the room to ride to up, but it's still got a little bit of that sport tune to it. There you go, you can hear that motor there. Let's make sure these turn signals work. Front signal on that side. Front signal on this side, and the rear one, and that side on the rear. All right, like I said, guys, the 2015 Kawasaki Versys 1000. Do not miss out on this thing. It is not going to last long.
Did you notice it looks a little bit faded right here?
I did not.
Like this looks.
I thought it was just like a little I thought I was getting a weird thing from the sun.
Yeah, I saw it inside. It just looks slightly faded.
there compared to
here.
All right.
Although nothing else, like the other plastic does not look, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know.
Right.
If you look at here, it looks fine. We might be able to buff that out, clean it, you know, bring that color back, but it's not the camera. It does look slightly faded.
Okay.
And compare this to this. This is much more orange. This is a little more like salmon. Just wanted to throw that out.
There you go. All right. Make sure you note that, and thanks so much for watching.